Welcome to Tiny Tots Club. Let's learn ABC today. Let's meet the alphabet. One by one, your ABC friends will come say hello. Hi, I'm A. A is for apple. Hello there, I'm B. B is for banana. Hi, friends. I'm C. C is for cat. Woof, woof. I'm D. D is for dog. Hello, I'm E. E is for elephant. Hi there, I'm F. F is for fish. Good day. I'm G. G is for giraffe. Hey, I'm H. H is for hat. Hi, I'm I. I is for ice cream. Hello, I'm J. J is for jelly. Konnichiwa, I'm K. K is for kite. Lovely to meet you. I'm L. L is for lion. Hello, I'm M. M is for monkey. Nice to see you. I'm N. N is for nest. Oh wow, I'm O. O is for octopus. Peekaboo. I'm P. P is for penguin. Quick hello. I'm Q. Q is for queen. Roar. I'm R. R is for robot. Slither, slither. I'm S. S is for snake. Ta-da. I'm T. T is for train. Up, up, up. I'm U. U is for umbrella. Vroom, vroom. I'm V. V is for van. Wiggle, wiggle. I'm W. W is for whale. I'm X. X is for xylophone. Yippee. I'm Y. Y is for yo-yo. I'm Z. Z is for zebra. Yay! You've met the whole alphabet from A to Z. Great job! See you next time on Tiny Tots Club.